Hi and welcome to the video training of JavaScript. In this video training we will be covering syntax error in JavaScript. So what is a syntax error? The syntax error object represents an error when trying to interpret syntactically invalid code. It is thrown when the JavaScript engine encounters tokens or token order that does not conform to the syntax of the language when parsing code. The constructor of syntax error object is syntax error and parenthesis. This creates a new syntax error object. So creating a syntax error. Let's look at this example. We have a try catch block, and in the try block I have entered eval who bar, and then we have the catch block to catch the syntax error object. So let's see this in action. Let's create syntax error dot HTML file, and here I have the script object, the script tag, and let's try this example try, and then I have catch. Here you can say eval who bar, and here we have console.log e instance of syntax error. Syntax error is the class to see. Okay, console.log e.message, and then we have e name, e file name, line number, column name, column number, and e.stack. So if I save this file and if I go to the projects directory here in JavaScript, and if we go to syntax error, double click this to open in the browser, see the results. You see here we have got the syntax error. So the first line, that e is an instance of syntax error, return true. Then we have e.message, it says unexpected identifier. The third one is e.name, that is syntax error. Then we have file name, line number, column number, which of three defined, undefined. The last one is e.stack, and it's showing syntax error unexpected identifier at syntax error HTML5. Dot line number, e dot file name, e dot column number. Okay, let's create a syntax error here again. In this I'm going to throw a syntax error forcefully in the try block. So let's just copy this. I'll be uploading this code to GitHub, so you'll be able to download this code from there. Its link is in the YouTube video description. You can get the GitHub link from there. So here I'm going to throw the object, throw the syntax error, throw new syntax error hello, and here I'm going to say some file.js, and then if I save this file and run in the browser, I get true. Hello is the string that I passed to the string object. Undefined, undefined, and undefined. Okay, e.message, e.name, e.file name, e.line number, e.column number, and e.stack. I think these three these three values has been eliminated in this upgrade of Chrome. That's why we are seeing undefined here, so don't worry about this. Let's try this in Firefox. So if I go to console here, You see here we can see the values: true, hello syntax error, some file.js 10 0, and we have the line number, etc. So it's just the Chrome thing. They have deprecated these three lines: name, file name, and line number. Don't worry about those. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel TechWeber. Just put an S at the end of TechWeber and you will get to my channel. Just subscribe it. If you need any help, don't feel hesitation to contact me. Thanks very much.